All right, it's time for the three big things you need to know. Let's get right down to it because there's a lot of things happening out there and there's some opportunities, but there's also some challenges. So, first of all, the Fed did not cut the Fed rate this time around. However, there's an 83% chance that they're going to give a quarter point cut the next round. So, listen, I'm going to tell you, I don't like Fed cuts because they affect mortgage rates negatively. They stimulate the stock market, it tanks the bond market, and interest rates go up. All you have to do is look back at history. September 16th, November 6th, December 9th. Every time they dropped the Fed rate, interest rates on mortgages went up. So I'm not crazy about Fed cuts. So if you're looking to buy a home and you want to lock in, I think you should lock in before the Fed cut, not after. If you don't believe me, look at the charts with me. I'll show them to you. It makes a lot of sense. Then the 30-year fixed rates running right now, the week was a little flat. They're still running about 6.85%, 15-year about 5.92%. So not too bad. That's the average Freddie Mac rate across the country. If you're interested in buying a home and you want to get all the information on what's available, down payment assistance, first-time homebuyer programs, you want to know how to negotiate, how to select a house, I am teaching a class on May 13th in Winter Park, Florida. Go to WeBringYouHome.com. It's in Winter Park, Florida, May 13th, 6:30 to 8 o'clock. So if you want to go to that class, register right away. It's a very small room, and I don't have a room for a lot of people, probably 15, 20 people at most. Put that in your calendar. Now, let's talk about opportunities. Right now, there's a lot of inventory on the market and housing prices have come down. So we saw about 30% of homes on the market have reduced their prices. Now, not a lot. We're talking 1, 2, maybe 3%. So they're not coming down very much, but sellers are getting a little bit more motivated, which puts buyers in control. So if you're looking to buy a home, this is your opportunity. Sellers are making deals right now. But you want to position yourself like a cash buyer, or else you're up against everybody else jumping in the market. Ask me about Fast Track. That's a pre-underwritten transaction where when I've got your loan fully approved, I will physically offer the seller $500 per day for every day you miss the closing. You're not going to miss the closing. I will help you get the contract. When I make an honor call to my listing agents, it increases your opportunity on being the winning offer by 70%. I'm going to guarantee that you're going to close on time, and we can close fast when we're on Fast Track. Buyers are in control. Sellers are making deals. Interest rates are steady. It's a great time to buy. Those are the three big things you need to know. Have a great weekend.